This is what this month's box looks like, or the card at least. So it just says Boxycharm. Then it's really cute because you open it and it's like, ta-da! So this is called the Caribbean Queen. That is the theme on this month's box. The first thing that we're going to try are these brushes, which are the Luxie ones. So this is what the brushes look like. It's a 3-piece or a trio, I guess you can call it. So this one is the tapered highlight. This is the 516 dual fiber, oh my god, powder. So you can apply your powder, you can dust off powder. Then the last one that we have here is the Precision Foundation. So I guess you apply your foundation with this, but I don't know how I would feel about that. We're going to use this to bronze our skin. I actually went to Ulta yesterday and I saw that they had some new Morphe stuff and I found this. It is the highlight and contour palette. I hadn't seen it before. I don't know how new these are, but I picked this one up. This is in the shade 8H. I'm going to go in with the shade Donut, which is the top left. And we're just going to chisel the cheekbones. Ooh, that's really perfect. This one is going to be perfect for like giving you that really chiseled look. I like that. At this point, I'm just like picking up all bronzer shades and just packing them all together. This is also really good again to dust off the powder, so that's what I'm going to do. Let's use this little highlighting brush, which is again the tapered highlighter. And I think I'm just going to take whatever color from this palette and just apply it. Honestly, I don't know what color I want to use. Oh my god, these are so pigmented. Can I just mention how excited I was when they mentioned the Sol de Janeiro, whatever. I love this cream. I've been wanting to buy it for such a long time, but girl, it's expensive. I was like, I don't know. I just use a little bit and I literally just rub it in between my hands. This scent is just like, oh, I love it. Let's move on to the most fun, the most exciting, the most anticipated part of the Boxycharm, at least for me. They gave a Alamar Cosmetics palette to everybody that has Boxycharm, which is this palette right here. If you guys are not familiar with this cosmetic brand, it is a brand new line. And the girl that is behind this is actually Latina. She's Cubana. She is really, really, really good friends with Kathleen Lights. Her name is Gabby, I believe. She came out with her own brand. It's called Alamar Cosmetics, and this palette is called Reina del Caribe, which is just like Queen of the Caribbean. It is such a beautiful palette. Congratulations, Gabby, on an amazing palette. I don't know what I'm going to use, but this color right here is like literally screaming my name. So let's check it out. I'm going to take this first shade, which is called Cocoa Taxi, this one right here. And we're just going to apply that all over the lid. Oh my god, these eyeshadows are blending out like a dream. Oh my god, Gab, girl, you did that. I forgot to mention the price on this Alamar palette. This retails for $28, which is actually a great price. Like, that is the perfect price, I think, for a palette. Let's go in with our second shade. I'm going to use Tropical. I think that's how you pronounce it, which is this one right here. Oh my god, this color is so beautiful. And I'm also going to add it to the inner and outer corner of the eye because I'm trying to go for like a halo eye. I haven't done one of those in a minute. The last color I'm going to go in is Guantanamera. If you guys know that song, that is like one of the best songs to like dance salsa to, which is this shade right here. And this is just going to go again in the inner and outer corner of the eye, just to blend it a little bit, give it a little bit more depth. You know me. Oh my god. All these colors are so beautiful. I can't get over it. Look at how pigmented this is. Y'all are going to be shook with your palette. I want you guys to recreate as many looks and tag me, and I will try to recreate yours. I'm just going to dig in there. Okay. There it is. Oh my god, I am loving this palette. I'm going to go back and just do the same steps. I'm going to go in with this one, and then this one, and add it to the inner and outer corner, because obviously you don't want to leave your eyes looking like this. I mean, you totally can, but not cute. I'm going to pop on some lashes. Obviously, I'm going to use the ones from Boxycharm. This is Battington lashes. I've actually received PR packages from them in the past. These are a 3D multi-layered silk lash. Now, these retail for $28, and they claim that you can wear them up to 25 times. I also wanted to mention that obviously we got this eyeliner. This is by the brand Jonteblu, and it is in the color charcoal. This is a waterproof eyeliner pencil. It is $5. I unfortunately don't like charcoal eyeliners. I either like them black or like a cream color or any other color, but charcoal is just not my favorite, so I'm not going to be using this today. But we are going to use the lipstick by Ofra Cosmetics. This is in the shade Verona. These retail for $21 a piece, and they claim to be super moisturizing and long lasting. So the overall price, or the overall total on this box is $134, and again, you're only paying $21 a month for this box. So if you ask me, it is totally worth it every single time. Like, Boxycharm always has at least 1, 2, sometimes up to 3 things that are amazing. Like I said, this has to be my favorite box. I am in love with this Alamar palette. It's amazing. Again, congratulations, Gabby. Girl, you did that, and it's a bomb. I'm definitely going to be using it more. So that does it for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing using all the products on my face. If you guys enjoy these videos, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you, chicas, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!